And hello guys, my name is Kasim and today we're gonna play Evade. Whatever this is. Let's play.
Tapos sobrang confident na baka mamaya may masabi akong like for example yung yung mga grammatical error. Kasi baka mamaya maging bas nga na yun ang pagkatao lahat-lahat. Dapat diba is, dapat are you, diba?
No.
Diba kasi mga Pilipino, I mean, BTS or Jojo kasi judgmental din mo. Pag nakita ko pala kita,
Sinabi agad daw. Siyang tunay.
minsan nagdodoli lang ako. Ano lang, makikulap lang.
Parang ganun,
Hindi kasi like, yung sa
Grass grows, birds fly, sun shines. Got a bucket of chicken. Let's do this. How long does it take to beat a moron to death? Bam! Sorry, time's up. You're dead. How long does it take to beat a moron to death? Bam! Sorry, time's up. You're dead. Got a bucket of chicken. Let's do this.
Hello.